Yeah, everything is going well. What about you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing?
I'm doing video.
Oh, can I join your video?
Yes, sure.
I'm happy to hear that. Oh, I have a chocolate for you. Take it.
Oh, thanks. Is it peanut, right?
Yes, it's peanut. I know it's your favorite.
Oh, thank you, yaar.
So, Sonia, how is going on your IELTS preparation?
Alhamdulillah, everything is going well, but I face a problem in writing module. Can you please help me in this module?
Obviously, why not? You can take help in Makkar books. I think you should practice more and more. If you have any problem, you ask me any question without any hesitation.
Okay, thank you, Pritila, for your suggestion.
I think you will do better in future. I pray for you always. And now, bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Bye.